Hey guys, ReGoofy here, and today I have a redstone creation for you. It's a vending machine. So yeah, it takes iron if we just pick up some dirt. But first, if you press this button, nothing comes. If you put dirt, nothing comes, and you've lost it. But if you put iron, press the button, you see the light come on, and you get the diamond. So yeah, here's the redstone, guys. And you know, me and redstone. Nah. Here's the dirt, by the way. It's kinda simple, but yeah. It uses a sorting machine to sort out the payment, and here is just miscellaneous. So when you put an item in here and push the bottom, it will get through here, dropped into there, and a diamond will be dispensed out. And if you put dirt, it will go through here and into the miscellaneous. So yeah, let me know if you want a tutorial. I actually don't want to do it, but if you want, I could do it. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let's try it one more time. So we have the iron. See, put dirt in there, nothing comes out. Put iron, the light comes on, and we get diamond. So thank you very much for watching, and subscribe for more redstone if you really want me to do it, because, well, I really suck. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.